Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make the best choices for your skincare and beauty needs. If you've been struggling to find a moisturizer that's gentle yet effective for sensitive skin, then keep watching, because today we're taking a closer look at the Aveeno Calm Restore Oat Gel Facial Moisturizer. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a review. Let's get into it. Aveeno Calm Restore Oat Gel Facial Moisturizer is specifically formulated for sensitive skin. This fragrance-free, lightweight gel cream promises to provide 24-hour moisture and soothe irritation while helping to restore the skin's moisture barrier. It contains Prebiotic oat and Feverfew, two powerhouse ingredients known for their calming and nourishing properties. It's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and free from parabens, alcohol, dyes, and phthalates, making it a safe option for anyone with sensitive or eczema-prone skin. Now let's talk about how this product actually performs. I tested it out over a few weeks to see how it integrates into a skincare routine and whether it lives up to the claims. The first thing I noticed was the texture. It's a gel-based moisturizer, so it has that refreshing, cool sensation when applied, which is a real treat, especially on a hot day or after a long skincare routine. It absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling hydrated without any greasy residue. This is a huge plus for anyone with oily or combination skin who wants moisture without the heaviness. As for how it felt on the skin, the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel did exactly what it promised. It soothed. My skin tends to get irritated with some products, but this one left me with calm, soft skin from the very first application. I also love how it doesn't clog pores, especially important for those with acne-prone skin or who are worried about breakouts from rich moisturizers. I noticed that my skin felt comfortable all day long, and I didn't experience any dryness or irritation. In fact, 97% of users reported feeling less irritation, which is a pretty impressive stat when it comes to sensitive skin products. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of this product. First, the pros. This moisturizer is incredibly gentle, making it ideal for sensitive skin, including those with eczema. The formula is fast absorbing, which is perfect for busy mornings when you need a moisturizer that won't leave you waiting. It's also fragrance-free, which is a big win for people who have fragrance sensitivities or are just looking for a clean, no-fuss skincare routine. I also appreciate the lightweight texture, great for all skin types, even those with oily or acne-prone skin. But there are a few cons to consider. While the gel formula is perfect for a lot of people, those with extremely dry skin might find it a bit too light for their needs. In that case, you may need to layer it with something richer for extra hydration. Also, the 1.7 ounce container might feel like a little bit of a splurge for a daily moisturizer, especially if you're used to larger jars for similar prices. When it comes to value for money, Aveeno does offer a solid product that justifies its price, especially considering the quality ingredients and how well it performs for sensitive skin. It's backed by a trusted, dermatologist-recommended brand that's been around for over 70 years, so you're definitely paying for a product that's been crafted with care and expertise. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you could try Cetaphil's Daily Hydrating Lotion or Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. Both are great for sensitive skin and provide similar lightweight hydration. However, if you want something specifically targeting sensitive or eczema-prone skin, Aveeno's formula still has a unique edge with its prebiotic oat and feverfew combination. Overall, Aveeno Calm Restore Oat Gel Facial Moisturizer is a standout product for those with sensitive skin. It delivers on its promises of soothing, hydrating, and strengthening the skin's moisture barrier. The lightweight formula is perfect for daily use, and it works well in both hot and cold climates. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective moisturizer that won't irritate your skin, this one is definitely worth considering. Before we wrap up, if this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all of our honest reviews. And if you're already itching to get your hands on this product, you can find the link to purchase in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this product, Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts.